Hey, it's Rocco Killer. You know the one thing I really hate the most? It is people who lie to me. Do you know what happens to people who lie to Rocco Killer? They get the clap. No wait, no, clap. No,
that's
that's
not
not
what
clap.
you mean.
How you say it?
It's clap back.
What do I mean?
Clap back.
Ah yes, thank you.
No worries.
They get clap back. Let's go.
Hey you little boy, drinking as a toys, playing with the labbers and you acting old coy. Do not show your face, you are a disgrace, telling diddle daddle lies all over the place. Think you also famous, think you also smart, think you copying people's songs, make you never hide. Do not show your face, you are a disgrace. Uncle Kill is here to put you into your place. Hey you copycat, you behaving like a brat, thinking you can get away with telling stories just like that. Hey you copycat, stop behaving like a brat, better change your ways. Rocco Killer, put an end to that. Thinking you discreet, coming to the lead, hiding all the secrets, thinking mission complete. But you are so wrong, listen to the song. We know you're copycatting, known it all along. Think you big man, saying what you can, you silent so the truth is out for your plan. You are not so tough as you think you may seem. Rocco Killer got bigger force than you could ever dream. Yeah, you copycat, why you acting like a brat? Why you think it's good to act all macho? You all that? Yeah. Hey, you're not all that. You're just little boy. Copycatting. Rocco Killer, put an end to that. Yeah. You behaving like a brat. You little brat. Get away with telling stories just like that. Hey, you copycat. Stop behaving like a brat. Better change your ways or Rocco Killer, put an end to that.